Hi, good evening. This is Shazia from Illuminations. Uh, I hope everybody can hear me. Yes. So little about myself. I'm Shazia, and most of my work is around energy healing, Reiki, access bars. I do some shamanic work, which is called Moneki, and some Buddhist work, Buddhist energy healing, which is called Lama Fera. I do crystal healing as well, and so on. So most of my work is all about awareness, consciousness, awareness of the body, and mostly related to body work and touch healing therapies. I'm honored to welcome you all for this webinar. Thank you so much for joining me today. We will talk about access consciousness, access bars, and I'm waiting for a few more people to join us. So kindly bear with me. And meanwhile, if you want to ask anything or any questions, you can, write down and ask me. Even while I'm talking, when I'm explaining you about access consciousness and access bars, you can, type down your questions in the chat room, and I'll address it as and when I can. And please feel free to ask as many questions as you can, and I'll try my level best to explain it in detail to you guys. Yeah. And you can also, mostly available in JLT, and you can, book a session with me, or book a consult with me. Know more about access bars. You can also have an experiential healing session with me in the 30-minute consult, which is absolutely free for the first time appointments. And you can, I can tell you more about it in person. Okay. And let's start. Yeah, like I said, in between, when I'm explaining you things, you may ask me as many questions as you want. You can type down, and I'll hopefully answer it. We will also do some clearing statements. Access clearing statements is all about, asking questions, getting the energy up, and releasing it at the same time. No drama, no trauma, just release. Yeah. So let's start. So access bars. What is access bars? What is so much hype of access bars? So let's talk about access bars as a treatment or a session or an energy healing perspective. It is an amazing treatment that involves gently touching 32 points on your head. Yes, so 32 points on your head around here. I will even share a chart with you, the head chart, so that you can know a little bit about the points. This supposedly releases anything that doesn't allow you to receive. Now, when we talk about receiving, receiving is a topic wherein, we are not very well informed. Uh, when I say this, you all will be laughing at me and saying, oh, what is she trying to talk? Well, receiving is something we don't actually understand, because we were never taught how to receive. We were only taught how to share, how to give, and how to sacrifice, but never taught how to be responsible. Yes, but never taught how to receive. And receiving is so, is such a intimate subject. When I talk about it, especially, with my clients and in my webinars, many people are like, oh my God, yes, you're right. And I felt like that for a very long time, when I understood that, yes, I feel that I'm not worthy to receive, which is why receiving significant in our lives. Also, if you know a little, our little kids, they are very aware. They don't understand the receiving, giving. If someone will offer something, they will just take it. So why they are taking it? Because they are just feeling happy to receive. Now think that when was the last time you actually received something from your family or friend, and you felt really happy, or you felt burdened? Because most of the time what happens is when we receive something, we feel like, oh my god, I have to give this back again, and I have to multiply it maybe 100 times and give, and so on. So there is no joy in receiving at all. So access bars or access consciousness creates that joy, brings that joy in your life, wherein you feel worthy of receiving. You feel, yes, I can receive. And each molecule, each cell in your body, each system of your body feels so good. It helps you open up your receiving channels in such a way that all the thoughts, ideas, beliefs, and emotions, considerations that you have stored in your this lifetime, and if at all it is coming from other lifetimes, it just dissipates every energy of that. This is access bars, or taking an access bar session is actually an opportunity you give yourself to let go of everything. Each access bar session, if you take more than one, can actually release the limitations in the area of your life that corresponds with the specific bars being touched. For example, I'll just share a points chart with you in a bit. So for example, we have implant band. Okay, so this implant bars, it actually helps us to release all the programming. Everywhere we believe that, what is right, what is wrong, or, we were told this is right, this is wrong, this is right, this is black, this is white, and, whatever. Everywhere we have been told and not able to explore ourselves. It will help us release it and actually give us opportunity to, explore our life and live our own live our own life. It helps us to think outside the box, because we kind of, after taking the session, we kind of get rid of a lot of belief patterns. So you see, I have shared a small bar chart with you, wherein you can see we have so many points. Like they are 32 points, and there are a couple of points which are grouped together. So if I have to talk about, let's take an example, form and structure. Okay, so form and structure is a point wherein, because we are a human being, we are ourselves under a form and structure. We believe everything has to be in form and structure. Even energy, we want to see energy also. Many times, I have these type of questions wherein people ask me, prove it to me, prove energy exists, and these and that, and so much more. So this is why, because we are so much stuck in form and structure. We need form and structure in everything. In fact, if I have to talk about even a very simple thing which is called love, we all understand love, we all know love, we have all been in love, we all receive love, give love. But when time comes, we really need that love in form and structure. I don't know how many of you agree with me, but that is how it is. For example, if your partner did not give you a gift on your birthday, what do we say? You don't love me. You see, so our love is confined in that, that present which we were supposed to receive, and all of that. So not just that, form and structure in everything. For example, when our loved ones, when they transform into light bodies, when they, in normal language, how we say, when they pass on, or go into the spirit world, we miss them, we grieve them. There are so many people who don't deal with their grief, and they just keep missing their loved one. I know it's not easy, to let go of your grief, but what, they are always with us. Our loved ones are always with us. But why we are grieving? Because we are so attached for them to be in form and structure that we don't realize that they are still around us in all the blessings and everything significant we do. So many things, taking this small things as an example, like, attachment with form and structure. So what happens when you actually release, bring up all the energies of the form and structure, and when you actually release this form and structure? So let's do a clearing statement for this form and structure. So everywhere we are stuck, in form and structure, we find everything in form and structure. Let's all just destroy and uncreate this times Godzillion. You all gotta say is yes. Okay, please join me and say yes. Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, online shows, boys and beyonds. So with this clearing statement, what do we do is we kind of just delete that from our system. Okay, so access bars not only is only about points, it is also about this clearing statement which I just said. I'll repeat it again: right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, online shorts, boys and beyonds. My bars class is coming up soon, so if you wanna know more about what this right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC is, you can join my class and know more about it. Okay, so moving on. So like I said, each access bar session can release limitations in the area of your life that corresponds with the specific bar being touched. I gave you an example of form and structure. This is an incredibly nurturing and relaxing process, like undoing but we don't know how. Okay, because again, so much stuck in leaning.
Hello. Hello, Gloria. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I cannot hear.
She's back. She's back. Yeah.
Okay.
But there's no sound. I think no voice.
I don't have no sound.
Yeah, we can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. I can hear you, but I can't hear Shazia.
No, that's why.
Hello.
I cannot hear her also.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay. Connection problem. Connection. Okay. Can you hear me now? Is it okay?
Yes.
You can. Oh, amazing. Thank you. Yeah. So I don't know, where was I? Remind me. Okay. Yeah. So I was just asking you a question. Have you ever thought how much of your life have you spent doing, like, keep doing things rather than actually receiving? Have you asked this question to yourself? If not, please ask it now. How much of my life have I spent doing rather than receiving? And why do you think it is that? Actually, you have to notice that your life is not yet what you would like to be. You could have everything you desire and even greater if you are willing to receive lots more and maybe do a little less. Sometimes, you just have to slow down and just breathe and receive. Okay. Yeah. So I was having some questions here, which is Payal, I'm curious to know what is access bars. Yeah, Payal, I am explaining that. Yes. Okay. And Medha, I hope you can hear me now.
Yes,
yeah.
Savia. Yes, I can.
Okay, great. Thank you, Medha. So if you have any questions in between, yeah, kindly please, you can write it down. All right. And you can even speak out your questions. It's fine. Okay, I will, when I say, okay, can you, question time, you can speak. All right. Yeah. So, yeah, so access bars have actually assisted thousands of people to change many aspects of their body and their life, including sleep patterns. It works wonderfully on sleep. People who are sleep deprived, who take medications for sleep or insomnia, or all of that stuff, access bars have helped them so much to improve their sleep patterns. Next is health and weight. Yes, even if you want to gain weight, or if you want to release weight, or lose weight, it also helps you with that, because it helps you with a lot of other things like choices. Then next, money. Yes, very important point. It helps you receive more money. It helps you open up your receiving channels. Actually, money is something, we come to form and structure. We see money as, something in coins and notes, note bills, and so on. But we actually understand that money is also energy, similar to, other things like emotion, like, love energy, or it's also energy. You will be able to receive more when you energetically invite money in your system. It will show physically as well. We only have to understand that. Okay. And then sex and relationship, it helps you release your anxiety and stress, and so much more. How anxiety, how stress? We have anxiety issues and stress issues when we don't live in present moment, and when we are not grounded enough. Access bars helps you to gather all your energy from past, present, future, and bring you in here and now. It helps you feel more grounded. It helps your all energy back into your body. So you are kind of not living in the past, not in future. You are in here and now, like you are enjoying every moment. Okay. So, we access bars practitioners. We sometimes, just as a joke, we say at worst, you will feel like you just had a phenomenal massage. So even if you did not feel an energetic effect going inside your body while taking a session, you will actually feel that, well, when you get up, you will feel like you had a proper body massage, though we are only working on your head. Yeah, and what's the best which will happen? Your whole life can change into something greater with total and complete ease. About receiving, we also don't understand all that we can have ease in our life. We don't acknowledge that things can be absolutely easy. Okay, which is why we have a mantra in Access, which when we say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Yeah, Gloria? Glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. You can write this statement down and say it to yourself every day, every morning, every evening. It changes your life so much. When you acknowledge that you have ease, you have joy, and have glory, there is nothing which is impossible. Okay. Some practitioners compare a brain to computer. So the bars treatment is like a disk defragmentator. The bars point correspond to different areas of the brain that relate to aspects of everyday life, such as joy, creativity, money control, connections, calm, experiencing gratitude, and whatnot. So we carry our own limiting thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and patterns in these areas, like, junk file, okay, or spam, based on judgments absorbed by society, culture, family, friends, parents, and social and personal experiences. Then idea about, like I said, good and bad, right and wrong, interfere with accepting life as it, and making changes that empower us. So just imagine when you actually release all of this, polarities, wherein you are stuck in the polarity of good and bad, right and wrong, how phenomenal your life will be. It's like you opening the doors for everything, for ease to show up. We make our life so difficult when we live in this polarity. And polarity is all about drama and trauma, upset and intrigue. Okay. We may be well aware of how these judgments draw us off center away from our inherent connection to wholeness and oneness. Wholeness and oneness, wherein we let go, we kind of release our ego and only operate from absolute consciousness. So, many of my, students have joined this webinar. So you remember I told you what is consciousness? Consciousness is everything without judgment. You remember that, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Gloria. So yes, so let's talk about what are the amazing health benefits you get after you take an Access Bar session, or you learn an Access Bar session. Okay, let's talk about a little about health benefits. It gives you deeper relaxation and non-interrupted sleep. A couple of my clients just sleep while I'm doing their session, and it is absolutely okay to sleep. Okay, it will help to release resistance and release more. Okay, it helps you improve manageability of depressive and anxious tendencies, wherein you are always anxious, again, stress related. Then it helps you easily shift negative thought patterns and limiting belief patterns. I think negative thought patterns and limiting belief patterns is something we kind of, have since we are born, like, because we keep hearing that all the time, negative conditioning and so on. And it helps you clear all of that. It helps you clear physical and emotional clutter for good. Yes, you kind of, start operating from your own knowledge, own awareness, rather than, all of that implants. It helps you, it makes a significant increase in your joy and happiness. It helps you improve your mood and maintain a positive outlook. Like, when you are out of polarity, which is good and bad, right and wrong, it helps you be more positive. It helps you like a very positive approach or a very aware approach. Even if you see something negative happening in front of you, you will be aware of that negativity and not just absorb it. Okay, it helps you to have mental clarity, motivation, problem solving capacity. Basically, it helps you focus better. It with all this overthinking we have, over analyzing aspects we have, it helps us slow down our brain waves, work on your neural pathways, and easily process thoughts which are more creative rather than depressive. So you start creating better. Okay, what else? It helps you identify and transform negative self-talk. So whenever you are kind of judging your own self, or in own self-judgment, and anything, anywhere you are like kind of negatively talking to yourself, it helps you firstly identify that, recognize, and then release. It will dissipate it out of your system. It helps you release the unconscious stories that keep you from having what you want. Yes, like, there are so many stereotype stories which we listen here and there. So it helps us to release all of that too, and be again more aware in the situation, and helps us to decide better. What else? It helps us be more generative as you clear blocks to receiving and improve money flows. Exactly. So it helps you, it gives you a space wherein you are able to release everything which is unwanted, so that you create space for other new energies to show up, new creative energies to show up. So new ideas, new functions, and so much more. It helps you create change with health, weight, relationship, stress, and so much more. You name it, you have it. Okay, so these are the benefits which I mentioned. Now, if you ask me, how do we do this session? It's very simple. We make you lie down, and then we touch very, with a light touch on your bars point, which I just, which is showing up in your screen. We touch those points and give a verbal command, and then your bar runs. Okay, it helps you bring down so much energy which is not required. Now, how what is before and after effect of bars? I'll just share that image as well with you. So yeah, so you see, so it not only helps us in work on your neuro pathways, but it also helps us in chakra system all too. I'll just show you how it does that. And meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Can we do it ourselves?
Well, couple of points. Yes, you can do it on yourselves. But because access bars is all about opening up your receiving channels, they insist more on receiving it from someone else rather than doing it on your own self. But it does not mean that you cannot do it on yourself. The couple of points are not easy to reach to do it with your own hands. But yes, of course. So there is one more question. How many sessions do you think it takes to clear the energies? Okay, so it takes, see, depending on how deep-rooted your issue is, it takes that many sessions. So for example, if we are working only to, release stress, so any like couple of sessions or 3 sessions is more than enough. Okay, but if we are working on releasing you from any addictions, for example, if you have any psychiatry medications you are on, okay, so if at all we are working to remove you from that and help you gain more awareness, then it might take more sessions. Okay, I have had clients who had bipolar and stuff like that, who used to take antidepressants and so on, anti-anxiety pills. We were able to take them out of their pills, and they are now highly functioning. So even if they do have those bipolar thoughts, they are easy to manage. Yeah, like they can easily manage it. They can identify that, okay, this is the thought I am getting, and they can easily come out of it. So it really depends on person to person and how open you are to release also. So you see, I just shared an image with you wherein you can see before and after a access bar session. So if you can see the before version, you can see how the chakras are misaligned, and they have the scattered energy and so on. And after an access bar session, so access bar session takes about 60 minutes or so, sometimes more than 60 minutes, but mostly on an average it takes 60-minute session or an hour-long session. It helps you it helps you expand your aura, makes your auric field strong so that you don't absorb a lot of other people's energy. It helps you release things from your chakra points, and it helps your chakra to vibrate highly, so at a high frequency, I mean. So yeah, this is the energetic effect you get. Okay. Any more questions, please, that I may answer? Okay, so there is this question: Reiki can also help resolve problems related to anxiety, anger, and many more. Then why should we go for access bars? Yes. So this question will come like in a lot of times that I know this, or I know this. So you see, we all are different, we all have different bodies, we all respond to different type of energy. Okay, we all respond to different type of medications. So one medication of pain killer will work for me, the similar medication wouldn't work for you. So if at all I use Reiki on someone, they might not respond to it very well. They will feel okay, they are just touching me and then that's it. But they might respond to very well because they need that clarity very quickly. Okay, Reiki is I'm not comparing these two energies, but if I have to, let me tell you, Reiki is very gentle, which works very gently with love. Access bars is all about clear. Reiki, you release the negativity, you restore the positivity. With access bars, you mostly clear and you energize the body just like that. You don't channel energy. So this is the difference and this is the comparison. But there may or so some people may or may not respond to. So there are so many modalities which are existing. There's theta healing, there's hypnotherapy. Many people who are very logical will not like Reiki, will not like access bars. They will like more hypnotherapy, right? So very similarly, we all are different and we all respond to different type of healing. So in case if you already are a Reiki healer or a crystal healer or any type of energetic healer, if you know access bars also, you may merge, you may do both together and still have an awesome effects. So just think about, if access bars you can just release and then do Reiki again and restore their body with positive energy, what will be the effects? Just ask yourself this. I hope I answered this question. Okay, can we, there was one more question. Sorry, I'll go one by one. Can we do Reiki and access bars in one session? Yeah, I just replied. You can, of course. Then the next one. Yeah, so logical mind, exactly. So for many logical mind, the people whose left brain is very, very active would find it difficult to respond to energy healings. They might respond more to neurological healing or mind science. Yes. Then, is there a course to learn this, and how long is the course? Yes. So yes, there is a course, and very happily it is coming up on 18th of June. It's on Friday. We at Illuminations offer this class amazingly, and it's a one-day class. Let me give you a little information about the class. When you finish access bars class, in the class we teach you how you will do the clearing statement on yourself and others. You will be taught how to, and after the class you will receive the certification. You also get certified. You also get registered on Access Consciousness website, and you become practitioner, international practitioner for life. Okay, so wherever you go around the world, you are access bars practitioner. Anybody can type up your name and look up to you, and you see you are a certified practitioner. So Access Consciousness has their website of their own. If at all it is accessconsciousness.com. Okay, and in case you want to feel how access bars have experienced the access bar session, like I said, you can book a consult with me here at Illuminations. We are more than happy to welcome you, and you can also get the taste of energy healing and how access bars feels. Okay, and yeah, so there's more question. Any levels in Reiki? No, access bars is just one class, one day class. There are no levels. Okay, so in one day you become a practitioner and you become a registered practitioner. Okay, what is the duration of the course? Yes, one day class. Again, it's a one day class, a 1 day 8-hour class. Okay, and in that class you learn to receive and give twice. So you will be shown how you will give once, and then you will receive, and then once again give, and then once again you will receive. Okay, yeah, like I said, if you want to know more and how this access bars feels, you can book a consultation with me. Come see me at Illuminations and have a taste of it. Okay, yeah. So a couple of things. Yeah, you're welcome, Medha. So yeah, if you have just seen how it affects your chakras also, it is a very helpful therapy. Yeah, and this is also a holistic healing method, not just like only, it works only on one thing. It when you are healing someone, when you run someone else's, your clients or someone else's bars, your bars get run at the same time. Okay, so it is a holistic method of healing. It works on your mind, body, and soul together. Okay, so there can be a little after effects of the healing session. Just to let you know, you might feel a bit unstable for some time. Just for some time, you might feel dizzy because you haven't had released these emotions and these feelings for a long time. So it may make your body a bit uncomfortable, because body takes time to vibrate on soul level. Your soul will understand, it will vibrate higher at the same time. but your body will take time to connect to the soul level. So you might feel a bit disconnected for a little while, like an hour or so, but it gets better with time. Okay, once you have the session done, it gets better in a couple of hours. So, and with any healing session, when you go through, because every energy is showing up and you are still in the process of releasing. Okay, even after 60 minutes of the session, when we finish your session, you are still releasing a lot of stuff. Okay, so you just have to relax, sit back, because your brain waves slow down. They slow down a lot, so you might be able to not think clearly for some time. So you have to give yourself that much time. Okay, yeah. So also on the screen, you can see before and after the session of Access Bars. You can see how the energy changes, how darkness changes to lightness. Your energetic field totally changes. Everything around, all the unsaid things which we store in our throat, in between our throat and heart area, which is not working out for our highest good, it also goes away. So the best thing about energy healing or Access Bars is sometimes you don't even have to say things, like you don't have to express much. It will just take it off. When you are ready, it will just release. So I have one more question. Just 1 second. Do you need any pre-knowledge about any subject? No, not really, because see, what we are doing is bars, BARS, these bars which we have around us. So you don't have to know anything, because we will be working on releasing these bars and giving you a free will, free choice. So you don't have to know any pre-knowledge. Okay, and one more question: for releasing anxiety or anger, how many sessions are required? Okay, so anxiety, it's very how many sessions? Again, I will reply the same. I'll have the same answer depending on how deep rooted the issue is. If someone is taking anti-anxiety pills, if they are on pills wherein they cannot operate without taking pills, and they are like hyper sensitive and so on, it will take some time. It will take more than 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions, or maybe once in a week sessions. Okay, so every healing or every healing modality, you always will have to deal with firstly how deep rooted the issue is. You have to think about, you will have to talk about it, and then we will release. Also, it is very important that you understand your client's receptivity, or anybody you are working on. It can be family member, family friends, and so on. You have to understand that how open they are to receive and release. Okay, if at all they are resisting, of course it will take time. Okay, we have to understand any resistance will actually slow down the healing process. Okay, but that does not mean that healing is not taking place. Of course it is, but it will still take a little more time than usual if you are not open. If you are totally open, it will work faster than other. Okay, I hope that answer your question. Yeah, so please you can let me know if you have more questions. So a little bit more I'll talk about the results. With this type of amazing results, it's no wonder people have been very curious about the science behind it all. So most important as a preliminary scientific study by Dr. Jeffrey Fannin. So he did some research about what happens in between the session and after the session. So when he actually measured the brain waves, because it slows down your brain waves, he discovered that Access Bars has a positive neurological effect similar to those experienced by advanced meditators. People who are monks, who meditate in monasteries and all, who meditate without eating, without drinking, they fast and then they meditate. That type of effect it produces in just 1 or 2 sessions, or in between the session. It gives you that deep relaxation. So you can know more about this research. It's called the name of the scientist is Dr. Jeffrey Fannin. You can write down the name and read more about what he has researched. Okay, so there is one more question, which comes first, access bars or foundations? No, access bars comes first. Foundation class, access foundation class, you do after access bars. So you can say access bars is like a pre-KG or a KG, and then you move on with classes. So access have many more classes, but you will have to take access bars first, and then only you can climb up. Okay, I hope that answers you. And if you have more questions, please ask. Please ask more questions. So yeah, this is what access bars is all about, and this is basically these are these amazing benefits which access bars gives you. It helps you also with aches and pains, not just headaches, and it also helps you with bodily aches and pains. It has also improved relationships between people, not just between partners, but it has also improved the relationship at workplace and so on. We have so many judgments, so many point of views for our workplace, in between our partners, for our parents, for our kids, and our growing up kids, especially teenagers, very difficult to handle, and so on. So you can actually work with access bars on these. It helps you to release so many point of views, so many judgments you have about each other, any judgments you have about anything. It helps you to release that, and live your life fully and not in judgments and regrets. So how can you register? Yes, you can register on our Illuminations website. You can also call us or send us a message, or we will get in touch with you. You just have to let us know. And yeah, you can register your place. We have limited capacity, so please register as soon as you can, and our team will be able to assist you. Yeah, and if you want, you can have, again I will say this, you can have a consult with me. You can come to our center and have a consult with me, and then we'll be very happy to register you here. Okay. One more thing I would like to mention: if you are looking to take the class and learn the class, you have to take the class online to become a practitioner. It is very important. I was coming to this. You cannot do it online. You cannot do it online if you want to become a practitioner. If you just want to have the knowledge of access bars, you can take it online, but you cannot become a practitioner. To become a practitioner, you will have to take the class on site. Okay, and all the cost details and everything, our team will help you with that. They will help you. They will send you the message. They'll send you email about it. But I hope that answers your question, Payal. It is not possible to take class online because the points, I shared the chart before. It is, you have to learn the points yourself. You have to be present in the class, or else we won't be able to register you online. Okay, so to take the complete, the complete benefit of the class, please do the class on site. If at all you have already done access bars class before and you want to repeat or refresher, yes, you can do it online. You can have a partner with you and you can still do it online. But always in on-site class of access consciousness is beneficial and recommended. I hope that answers your question. Okay. Yeah, of course. Any other questions that I may address, please? Or
thanks. This is Payal. Sorry. Thank you so much for answering, because actually at the moment I'm traveling, so I was just wondering if it is possible online. So,
okay. Who am I speaking to again?
Payal.
Payal. Oh, okay, Payal. Payal, we have access bars class almost every month here. So in case you cannot make it to this one, you can always make it to the next one. We will keep you updated, and you can always follow us, and you'll know. And like I said, you can come have a consult with me, and we will have you updated about everything.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Payal. Thank you for joining. Any more questions, please? Please ask me questions. Yeah.
I am
Yes, Gloria. Yes.
I am interested if this will help me to do for myself better Reiki. If that's what my question is related with Reiki. It will help me first of all for myself. I know that it's better if I learn and do it to another people, but to do it to myself, it's better that another other person do it to myself for receiving. That's
If I have to compare it with Reiki,
Uh-huh.
then my answer would be no. But you know,
Right.
it is more, like I said, it is more about receiving, and
Right.
Reiki is more about, you know, self work. You see, but again, I would like to add
Right.
one more thing. The points are not the only thing you learn in the class. There is so much more you learn in the class. There are clearing
Yeah.
statements, there are other healing tools, there are so much more things you learn in the class. There is not,
Right.
it's not, the class is not only about the 32 points, so much more.
It will
Okay.
be like a complement to Reiki, let's say.
Exactly. It will be complementary to, it will complement Reiki so much. If you ask me, like, you know that I do Reiki and I do access bars and other things as well. So sometimes, you know, when I do a healing session, I actually combine a lot of things and do it. So you know, it's not, so when you have more knowledge, and when you know, when you have more awareness of the body, what body wants, you can switch. You know, you can sometimes end up doing pure Reiki, or sometimes end up doing pure access bars, and sometimes you can also combine together and do it. So when you have the awareness that what is the requirement of the body, okay,
Mhm.
and the awareness and how you can speak to your body, actually access consciousness gives you that space. You will have more awareness, you will have more clarity. Okay, they both go very well together, but they both go very well. Okay. Yes. And there's one more question: is it similar to yoga nidra or tratak in any way? No, not at all. It is not. It is because it is a touch therapy. You will have to touch the bars point and then do it. Bar session is not possible to do online, but yoga nidra these days you can do it online. But if someone tells you I will do bars, but I will do an online session, no, it's not possible. Bars is a touch therapy. We will have to, we use our fingers, we touch your head and we do. Okay, we release the points. So we release the energies. So it is not possible, to do it online. So it is not similar to yoga. Okay, is client comfortable with combo of Reiki and access bars? Yes, they are. Why not? Why won't be? Why won't you tell someone that we are going to release and then going to, you know, fill your body up with positive energy? Of course, they are going to be very, very comfortable. They have been comfortable. So it's not a problem at all. Many people, you know, I have seen people doing theta healing and hypnotherapy together in one session, in a combination of session. So see, you are working with energy. You can mix and match with the and make the session something which is absolutely applicable to a client. For example, if you are doing a psychic surgery session, okay, which you learn in level 3 Reiki class, then it is, you know, you might just avoid doing bars and you can only do Reiki. But it really depends on what you are building up with a session. What you are working on with a session. Whatever Reiki can do, access bars can also do. It is, you know, it works side by side. It is energy healing. One way, the technique is different, but the energy is same. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, thank you very much for asking question, and I hope that I have given you clarity which you wanted. And please, you can, you know, ask more questions. You can even email if you have any questions later. You can email us and ask questions. You can come and have a session. done. And yeah, it's we always welcome you at Illuminations. And remember, the class is coming up on 18th of June, and it starts 10 a.m. You can register. We have some time now, so you can register so that you get your place, because we are we are not allowed too many people in the class. So make sure that you register as soon as possible if you are looking forward to it. And I'm sure you will have fun in the class. There is so much to learn. We all learn together, we all grow together, so it's so much to learn. So this learning and healing is a journey which doesn't stop. It just goes on and on and on. There is you do one thing, and you become aware of so much other things. Yeah, it goes on and on. It doesn't stop. It hasn't stopped for me, and for so many others I know. So it doesn't stop. It is a journey. It is an amazing journey, and you never want to stop when you are in these things, And so please contact us. Let us know what would you like, and how did you like this webinar. Please let us know. And all right, so someone asked me, how did you get into bars? Oh wow, that's a nice question. How did I get into bars? So my story is, I being a Reiki practitioner already. So because I have a sibling who is into the same thing, so, and she was like more into energy, so she used to learn stuff and do it on me. I was her guinea pig that time. So I really liked it when she did it on me, and I just I fell in love with it. And then I learned it myself, and then when I felt that all the knowledge I received, I have converted into wisdom, I started teaching also. So now, because it has changed my life so much. See, every healing modality has given me, if I talk about myself, as something or the other. Like for example, if you ask me, Shazia, what change or what gift has Access Bars got into your life? I feel I have more choices now, or I can choose, or like I have a power to choose. Before, I did not know that. I'll be very honest. So before that, I did not know. I did not know I could choose, or I am deserved, or I deserve to receive, or so much more. So it gave me this opportunity where I can choose for myself, have better choices, have more opportunities, and it opened up my receiving so much. And I would really like to share this light with so many people, which is why I promote this a lot, with side by side with Reiki, because Reiki is my heart and my soul, you can say. So I promote this a lot. Also, it also helped me let go of my judgments. I was very judgmental before, so it helped me so much with my own judgments about my own self, my own body, the way I look, and so much more. So like I said, it gave me so much choice to not judge myself. I thought there is no way but to only judge myself. Now I have a choice that I don't judge myself, and the moment I have stopped judging myself, I have come out of judgment for other people also, and situations, and so much more. I hope that makes sense. So that was my story about Access Bars, or how I came into Access Consciousness. Yeah, so that's all about it, and I hope that you had a little benefit of this session and this talk. And let's just before we leave each other, just let us just destroy all the judgments, point of views, suppressions, projections, rejections we have about our own self and our loved ones. Everything that does not allow that will be now destroyed and uncreated all times gazillion. Please say yes with me. Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, online shorts, boys and beyonds. So let's just give this world a judgment-free us. Okay. Long ago, I gave a judgment-free Shazia to this world. And since then, I have been sharing this light and this wisdom and this knowledge with everybody. And I hope that it helps you, and I hope that it you also get free of the judgments, and you shine your light, because of when we are with judgment, these bars, these barriers which we have about ourselves, it doesn't allow to shine bright. So for us to shine bright and let others see our light and let others absorb our light, we have to let go of our judgments. We have to let go of our point of views. So let's give this world judgment-free us. This is my idea. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining me this evening. It was a really fun talk.
Thank you.
I don't know how time actually flied, and it's already an hour, and we had fun. So, and I had fun for sure. I always do. Thank you for joining me again,
Thank you very much.
thank you. If you have more questions, please let me know, and please contact us, please, at Illuminations. We are always there to welcome you. Okay, and feel free to message us, feel free to know more. If you want to know more about the class and all, I'm always there. You can consult with me, please. We are always there, and let us know, and please do come visit Illuminations. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, bye-bye, everyone. Have a lovely evening ahead.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.